So hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing well. In this video, I'll show you how to create a basic character rig using the Rigify add-on in Blender. So without any further delay, let's dive into the tutorial. One important thing to note is that Rigify is a built-in add-on in Blender, and it's incredibly useful. If you're looking to create a basic character animation, make sure to watch this video until the end. All right, let's start the tutorial. As you can see here, I have a simple human character model. I'll demonstrate how to add bones, create a basic rig structure, and link the bones to the mesh. When you move the bones, the mesh will respond accordingly. So let's get started. When I go to the armature section, you'll notice there's only one bone available. This is our add section. You can access this section by pressing Shift+A as well. As you can see, we currently have just a single bone available. It's called a single bone. With this single bone, you can create a custom rig structure if needed. However, when it comes to human characters, we don't need to create a custom rig from scratch because we have an inbuilt add-on called Rigify. First, I'll enable the Rigify add-on. To do this, go to Edit, Preferences. Search for Rigify, and you'll find the Rigging Rigify add-on. Make sure to enable it and click on Autosave Preferences. Once that's done, close the Preferences panel. Now I'll press Shift+A again and go to the armature section. You'll notice a variety of options available here. We have armatures for animals like birds, cats, horses, sharks, and wolves. We also have a basic human rig and an advanced rig option. For this tutorial, I'll focus on the basic human rig. I'll select this option and you'll see a basic human bone structure appear. First, I'll scale this rig to match the size of our model. Something like this looks good. However, right now the bones are hidden behind the mesh. To see the bones clearly, go to the Object Data Properties tab. Enable the In Front option. This will make sure the bones are always visible on top of the model, no matter which view you're in. Next, I'll switch to Edit mode for the bones. I'll adjust the bone structure to match our human character model. Now I'll align the bones with the joints of our mesh. I'll do this quickly. As you can see, we've finished aligning the bones with our mesh. Now we need to link the bones to the mesh. Currently, if we switch to pose mode and try to deform the bones, the mesh won't respond. To fix this, go back to object mode. First, select the mesh, then select the bones. Press Ctrl+P and you'll see the Set Parent To dialog box. Choose the With Automatic Weights option. This links the mesh to the bones using automatic weights. Sometimes this process takes a while, depending on your system configuration. To check if it worked, select the bones and go to pose mode. Move the bones and you'll see the mesh deforming accordingly. As you can see, the deformation looks great. I can rotate and move the bones and the mesh follows along smoothly. This method allows you to pose your character in any way you like. That's how you can link bones to a character and create custom poses. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you learned something new, please hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments. I'll make sure to reply to every comment. Take care and stay safe. Bye-bye.